In this video, I'm going to answer a question a lot of Evernote users ask. Can you lock a note in Evernote? The short answer is that on desktop, Evernote does not let you lock an entire note the way some apps do. But there is a secure workaround, and that is encrypting specific text inside your note with a passphrase. That means you can protect sensitive information like passwords, account details, private notes or confidential text so it stays hidden unless someone knows the passphrase. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Evernote tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Evernote on your desktop and go to the note that contains the information you want to protect. Find the exact text you want to secure. This works best when you only want to hide a certain part of the note, not the entire page. Now use your mouse to highlight the text you want to encrypt. Be precise here, because only the selected text will be locked, not the rest of the note. Once the text is highlighted, right-click on it if you're on Windows, or use Ctrl and click if you're on Mac. This opens the context menu with more options for the selected text. In that menu, look for the option that says Encrypt Selected Text. Click that option to continue. Evernote will now ask you to create a passphrase. Type in a secure password that you will remember, because Evernote does not keep a copy of this passphrase for you. That means, if you forget it, you will not be able to recover the encrypted text easily. So make sure you choose something strong, but also something you can safely store or remember. Enter the passphrase again to confirm it, then save or confirm the encryption. After that, Evernote will replace the selected text with a locked block or hidden section. This is what tells you the text has been encrypted successfully. You may also see a lock icon, which means the content is protected. At this point, the sensitive information is no longer visible in plain text. If you want to view the encrypted text later, simply click the lock icon or the hidden section and choose Show Encrypted Text. Evernote will then ask for your password. The text becomes visible again. It's important to understand the difference here. You are not locking the entire note, but you are protecting selected text inside the note. So if your goal is full note privacy, Evernote's desktop version does not offer a built-in full note lock feature. But if your goal is to secure private details inside a note, this encryption feature is the best built-in method. A few quick tips before you go: only encrypt the most sensitive parts of your note, so the rest of your content stays easy to access. Keep your passphrase somewhere safe if you're worried about forgetting it. And if you share the note with someone else, remember that encrypted text will still need the passphrase to be read. So, can you lock a note in Evernote? Not the entire note on desktop, but you can absolutely lock specific text by encrypting it. That gives you a practical and secure way to protect private information inside your notes. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more Evernote how-to guides, app tutorials, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.